Good evening, dear students. All are fine. How are you? Have you done your homework? Good. And any doubt from that section? No? Yes. Good. Okay. Can we start on today's lesson? Okay. In previous class, what we discussed? We discussing some identities. Is it? Yes. That is x plus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, x square minus y square, and x plus a into x plus b, and x plus y plus z the whole square, x plus y the whole cube, x minus y the whole cube. We discussed about 7 identity. Is it? And today we start with example 22. We starting our example 22. Is it? Yes. That is, what is our example 22? That is, write the following cubes in the expanded form. We want to write the following cubes in the expanded form. That is, first one is 3a plus 4b whole cube. 3a plus 4b the whole cube. That is, what is x here? We know x plus y the whole cube. X cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square plus y cube. Is it? Yes. That is our identity. That is, next one is what is, we want to find or expand our these cubes. Is it? Yes. And so what we get from here, that is 3a cube plus 4b cube plus 3x square y, that is 3 into 3a the whole square into 4b plus 3 into 3a into 4b whole square, 4b the whole square. Is it? Yes. In identity 7, we can, or 6, x plus y the whole cube means x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. That is, we can write x cube plus y cube plus 3x and x plus y. 3x into x plus y. That is 3x into x, 3x square y. 3. Here what we can write, that is 3xy into x plus y. That is 3xy into x means 3x square y plus 3xy into y, 3xy square. So here we can take common. That is 3s cube means 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. A cube plus 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. B cube plus 3xy. That is 3 into x means 3 into x means what? 9a, that is 9 into 4, 36 ab into 3a plus 4b. 36. In your textbook, the answer is it same? Is it same? That is, here we can write 27a cube. Is it? Yes. 64 b cube plus 108. That is, here they were taking the squares. So we also take the square, that is 3 into 9a square into 4b plus 3 into 3a plus 16b square. 16b square. That is, what is the next step? That is 27 a cube plus 64 b cube plus, here 29 into 3, 27, 27 into 4. 27 into 4 means 108 a square b plus, that is 3 into 3, 9, 9 into, here is 16, 16 into 9, we get 4, 5 is carry out, 144 ab square. That is the answer. That is 27 a cube plus 64 b cube plus 108 a square b plus 144 ab square. Is it? Yes. And next one is, we want to find the solution. That is 5p minus 3q. Second one is 5p minus 3q the whole cube. 5p minus 3q the whole cube. So we can write, what we can write? 5p the whole cube. What is the expansion of x minus y the whole cube? X cube minus y cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Is it? That is minus 3x square 5p square into 3q, that is 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube, minus y cube. Is it? Yes. That is 5p the whole cube means 125. That is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, we get 125 p cube minus, here 3 into 25 p square into 3 cube plus, here we get 3 into 5p, 15p into 9q square minus 27q cube. Q. That is 125 p cube minus, here we get 9q into 25 p square plus 15 into 9. What we get? 15 into 9. That is 15 into 9. 5, 4, 13. That is 35 p 135 p q square minus 27 q cube. Is it? Yes. And Next one is 125 p cube minus 9 into 25. 4 225 p square cube plus 135 p q square minus 27 q cube. Is it? Yes. That is, we can check 125 p cube minus 225 p square cube plus 135 p q square minus 27 q cube. This is the answer. Is it? This is the answer. And next we are going to discussing about example 23. Example 23. Example 23. What is the example 23? We want to find, that is, evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. Evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. First one is 104 the whole cube. 104 the whole cube, that is 100 plus 4 whole cube, that is we get x cube plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square. Is it? That is, we write the expansion of x plus y the whole cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. 3xy square. Is it? Yes. That is, here is what we get, 100 into 100 into 100. That is it? Is it right? Yes. Plus 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. That is, here 3 into 10,000 into 4. Three into 100 into 4 square means 60. What we get? What we get? Is it? Yes. That is, we get 3 into 16, we get 48. Is it? That is, we are adding when 11 lakhs 24,800. Is it? Is it? And there is something, that is when we add it, there is also a 4 cube. Is it? Here is also a 4 cube. That is 4 cube means 64. That is when we add in 64, 11 lakhs and 24,000, 11 lakhs 24,864. 864. Is it? 1 1 2 4 8 6 4. This is the answer. This is the answer. Is it? Yes. And next one is we want to find 99 cube. Is it? 999 cube. That is we can write 1000 minus 1 the whole cube. In the place of 999 we can write 1000 minus whole cube. That is minus 3 into, that is 3 into what we can write in the x minus y the whole cube means x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x plus y. Is it? Is it? Or x minus y. Here is x minus y. Is it? Yes. In identity we can write. Is it? Yes. So here we can write minus y cube 1 cube minus 3x 3 into 1000 into 1, that is 1000 minus 1 we get answer is like this. That is using this identity 7. We use identity 7. That is into 3. $2,997. That is we get what we get. What is the final answer? Final answer is we get what we get. Here is in your textbook. There is the answer. The answers are same, and what we get? What is the answer? When we subtracting, the answer is 997002999. Is it? Yes. It is the final answer. And now we are going to discuss about example 24. factorize 8 cube 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. Is it? We want to factorize, that is 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. We want to factorize. That is here 8 means 2x the whole cube plus here we can write 3y the whole cube. When we take the 2 cube we get 8. When we take the 3 cube we get 27. That is next 3 into what? What is the expansion? X means what? 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. That is we get 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 3 into 2x square into 2x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. That is we can write here is the form of x plus y the whole cube. That is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. That is we can write 2x plus 3y the whole cube. 2x plus 3y the whole cube. Is it? Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. We can also find, or we want to find, when we take the expansion of 2x plus 3y the whole cube, we get 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square. 54x y square. Is it? Yes. That is the answer. That is the answer. And here this means 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. That means 2x plus 3y the whole cube. That means 2x plus y the whole cube. Okay. And next we are discussing about identity 8. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z. What we can write? What we can write? That is our next identity is eighth identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to what? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. What is our identity? Eighth identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into what we can write? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz minus xz or zx. Okay, that is this is our what? This is our identity 8. Identity 8. That is, now we are factorizing, we are going to factorizing next one, example 25. Example 25, what we get? That is, question is 8x cube plus y cube plus 27 z cube minus 18x y is we want to factorize. That is 2x whole cube plus y cube plus 3z whole cube minus what is the next one? That is 18x y z. That is what we get. 3 into, is it 3 into 2x into what is y into 3z. 3 into 2x into y into 3z. That is what we get. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, we get 18x. Is it? Is it? Is it correct? Yes. That is, what is our eighth identity? X cube, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus what? Minus yz minus zx or xz. Is it? Yes. Here what we can write? When we taking 2x plus y plus 3z into, that is what we get? 2x square. Is it? We can we write 2x the whole square? Can we write? Yes, that is in your textbook. There is also writing. That is 2x square plus y square plus 3z the whole square. Is it? Yes. And what is the next one? What is the next one? Minus, here is 2x is common. 2x plus y plus 2x plus y plus 3z into, is it? Into 2x square plus y square plus 3z square minus what? Minus 2xy. That is minus 2xy and minus what is next one? Minus yz. That is what is our y is y and z minus y and 3z. That is what we can write. Minus y into 3z minus what is our x? 2x into 3z. Is it? Yes. In your textbook there is. That is what we can write. That is 2x plus y plus z, and next what we can write? 4x square plus y square plus 9x square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6x z minus 6x z. Is it? Can we write? Yes. Minus 6x z. That is your example 2. That is 25. Your example 25. And now we are going to discuss about our last exercise 2.5, that is page number is 48. That is, what is our question? First question is, using suitable identities find the following products. Using suitable identities find the following products. That is x plus 4 into x plus 10. X plus 4 into x plus 10. What is the answer? What is the answer? That is, here we can write x plus a into x plus b. That is, what is the answer? What is our identity for x plus a into x plus b? That is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Is it? That is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Is it? That is, here is what is the a and b. Here a is 4 and b is 10. That is x square plus x into 10 plus 4 plus 10 into 4. That is x square plus x into a plus b or b plus a plus ab. That is, we get x square plus 14x plus 14. 14x plus 14. This is the solution. This is the solution. Is it? Is it? Yes. And next one is, what is the next one? Second one is, what is the question? Second one, x plus 8 into x minus 10. Here is x plus 8 into x minus 10. This is the next second part. That is, in question number 1, we want to find the second part, x plus 8 into x plus 8 into x minus 10. That is, we can here also we can use the same identity for, that is x square. Here is what we take, x square plus x into plus ab plus that is what we get, that is we get x square minus 2x minus 80. x square minus 2x minus 80. Is it? Yes. That is, we use the identity for x plus a into x minus x plus a into x plus b. That is x square plus x into a plus b. That is, here is a is 8 and b is negative 10. So we write for using values, then we get x square minus 2x minus 80. 2x minus 80. And next one is 3x plus 4 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. That is what we get. Here also we use the identity for x plus a into x plus b. That is x square plus x into A plus B into plus AB. That is, we get 9x square plus, here is 4 plus 95, we get negative 1, that is negative 3x minus 20. That is, the answer is what? 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Is it? Yes, we get the same. We get the answer. That is, next one is 3. Fourth one is, fourth and fifth are for your homework. Please write homework in your notebook and find the solution for that. Any doubt? Contact me. And next one is evaluate. We want to evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. We want to evaluate the following products without multiplication. That is, we did directly multiplication. Use multiplication. That is, first one is what? 103 into 107. We want to multiply. That is, what is our idea? We have 8 identities. Is it x plus y the whole cube, x minus y the whole cube, x plus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, x square minus y square? What is our idea? That is, here we can split 103 means 100 plus 3, and also we can split 107 means 100 plus 7, 100 plus 7, 100 plus 7. Is it? Yes. That is, here is x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. Is it? Yes. That is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. That is 10,000 plus, here is 10, that is 1000 plus 21. That is, we get, when we add these, we get what we get. Is it? Is it? Is it? That is, here is, when we add these 4, eleven thousand and 21. We get the answer. Is it? Yes. And next one is what is the second one? We want to find 95 and into 96. 95 into 96. What is the answer? That is, we can write 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. Is it? 90 plus 5 means 95, 90 plus 6 means 96. That is 90 square plus 90 into 5 plus 6 plus, we using the identity 4, x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. What is the answer? 90 square means 11 into 90, that is it? Yes, 11 into 90 means 100 what we get. Nine thousand one hundred twenty. 9,120. We get 9,120. And next one is, what is next one? Next one is 104 into 96. 104 into 96. What is the answer for that? That is, what is the next one is what? That is, next question is what? 104 into 96. That is, we can write 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4, is it? Yes, that is what we can write. That is, here 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Here is 104 and 96. That is a plus b into a minus b, or x plus b into, or x plus y into x minus y. What is the? We use the identity 3. Is it? Is it? That is x plus y into x minus y. That is, we get x square minus y square. That is, we can write 100 square minus 4 square. That is 10,000 minus 16 by minus 16. That is, we get, here is, we get what we get, 9 minus 10 minus 6, we get 4. Here is, what is, what we get, what is the answer? That is, here is 9, 8 and 9, 9. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes, that is, our answer is, what is our answer? 9,984. 9,984. And next one is, we want to factorize. Third question is, what is our third question? We want to factorize. We want to factorize what? Following using appropriate identities. Following using appropriate identities. That is third one. First one is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. We want to factorize. That means here 9x square means we can write 3x the whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square. That is x square plus 2xy plus y square. That is, we can write x plus y the whole square. That is, here x is 3x. Here x is 3x. That is 3x plus y the whole square. 3x plus y the whole square. This is the answer. Is it? Yes. And next one is, what is our next one? That is, we can factorize. That is 3x plus y into 3x plus y. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. And next two questions are for your homework. Please write homework in your notebook. And let's wind up our class. I wish you a good day. Thank you.